We've just gotten our first hands-on look at the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, and this time it's the real deal, not prototype. Two videos have surfaced. In the first, we can clearly see that it's a fully functional device. Now let's dive into the second video. The Pixel 9 Pro XL's design has seen substantial changes. The glossy sides, which were prone to fingerprints, have been replaced. The most striking update is the new matte finish, which adds a sleek and elegant touch. Moreover, the camera design has also been significantly revamped on the Pixel 9 Pro XL. In addition to the videos, we have some live hands-on photos of the Pixel 9 Pro XL, courtesy of Twitter user Mystery Lupin, who also shared the device's specs. Despite Google's efforts to keep the Pixel 9 series under wraps, leaks continue to surface ahead of the official launch. The latest leak gives us a detailed look at the Pixel 9 Pro XL's specifications, solidifying its status as a highly anticipated flagship. The Pixel 9 Pro XL is powered by Google's Tensor G4 chip, coupled with the Titan M2 security processor. It comes with 16 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. The device features a 6.8-inch OLED display with a resolution of 2,992 x 1,344 pixels, delivering an impressive brightness of 3,000 nits. Running on Android 14 with an upgrade to Android 15 expected soon, the Pixel 9 Pro XL is built with Gorilla Glass Victus Plus for enhanced durability. The camera system includes a 42MP f/2.2 selfie camera, a 50MP f/1.68 wide lens, a 48MP f/1.7 ultra-wide lens with a 123 degrees field of view, and a 48MP f/2.8 zoom lens with 5x optical zoom. Priced at $1,099, the latest leak doesn't mention the battery details, but previous reports suggest that the Pixel 9 Pro XL will have a 5060 mAh battery, supporting 45W wired charging with wireless charging capabilities still under wraps. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, subscribing to the channel would mean a lot. That's all for today. What do you think about the Pixel 9 Pro XL? Share your thoughts in the comments. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.